everyone, welcome to our room tour here at the Camelot Inn and Suites in Anaheim. The Camelot Inn and Suites is located at 1520 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is 3/10 of a mile or a 7-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. This hotel is rated number 42 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. Parking is $17 plus 17% tax a night. When we stayed, it was valet parking only. We booked a 2-queen room with a twin sleeper chair. It was the same price as just a standard 2-queen room, so we thought, why not give the boys an extra bed? This room is very spacious, lots of extra floor space. You could easily fit strollers, pack and plays in here without an issue. I really like how far apart the beds are as well. A lot of times in these little motels, you feel like you could just reach right over and touch the other bed, so it's nice that there's a little bit of distance between them. And so far, we're really impressed with this room. The lighting in this room is fantastic. In between the beds, there's 2 light switches and they are on a dimmer for the lights over the beds. There's also a timer here for the lights, but there is no USBs. There's just 2 regular outlets here to charge your devices. We did want to mention that the lights here above the bed are on a timer. It goes up to 30 minutes. And then for the lights to come on in the room, you have to stick your key card in a slot right when you walk in the door. This is the sleeper chair. It is a twin size. I do love that they also provide a little table here, so there's just another place to eat if you're gonna eat in the room. This feels more comfortable than a traditional sofa bed. It feels more firm, not all lumpy, but it is not a very big bed, so I think it would be best for children. I'm 5'9", so let me show you how I fit on here. I mean, I don't typically sleep like this. I would be like this more, but yeah. If you're any taller than me, I think it would be uncomfortable. If you need a lot of storage, this might be the place for you. This dresser is massive, tons of open shelving. In here, there is a microwave and mini fridge, and then tons of big drawers. Plus, this room also comes with a safe, which is also really handy to have, especially in the motels here in Anaheim. Above the safe here is the coffee pot and an ice bucket, all the coffee cups and everything you need for the coffee. Right when you walk in the room, there's a nice luggage rack / bench and a mirror. The bathroom area also has another place for luggage, so there's tons of spots to put all of your things. Here we have an ironing board, an iron, and extra bedding for the twin sofa sleeper. They've done a great job with this remodel. They have quartz counters here in the bathroom, tons of space for all of your toiletries, and then the really nice lit up mirrors that we love so much. This room has the toilet and the tub shower combination. It's super clean in here. It actually looks brand new. The shower head isn't too terribly tall. I think even if you're on the shorter side, you would be able to adjust it. And again, we love these shower curtains that come out like this because it just gives you a little bit of extra room while you're in there. This is a motel, and we do have a lock-off door to the neighbor's room, and we can hear the neighbors. We can also hear the traffic, although it does seem a little bit quieter than some of the hotels we've stayed at lately, but we'll see tonight. Our initial inspection of the room is very, very clean. We're very happy with that, and we're also really impressed with the finishes in this room for a motel. It seems very high-end. Like the furniture, you can definitely tell they paid a lot of money for the furniture, and it shows. It looks wonderful. It's not all beat up. They did a really great job with this renovation. If you want to check out the sister property to the Camelot Inn, that's the Tropicana Inn, click this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let us know below. Thank you.